Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is James, and today we're putting Bolt and Veo in a head-to-head battle. I'll give each of them a series of tasks and carefully rate their performance and ultimately determine who the winner is. The challenge is straightforward. Complete each task with as few prompts as possible. Ideally, it'll be just one prompt, but let's see how it goes. Before we dive in, let's just quickly run through today's challenges. Number 1 is to import a GitHub repo and create a dark mode feature in that repo. Number 2 is to build a colorful, user-friendly dashboard for a dog grooming app. And number 3 is design a polished landing page for dog grooming software. So first up is Bolt. The initial challenge is to import the OpenAI FM repo directly from GitHub and implement a dark mode. Bolt has a feature to import from GitHub, but unfortunately it didn't go quite according to plan. I ran into numerous errors during the build process. As you can see here, every attempt seemed to just hit a dead end despite multiple tries and troubleshooting. After a lot of frustration and time spent trying to make this work, I could not get Bolt to run the OpenAI FM repo. Due to these repeated unsuccessful attempts, I have no choice but to rate Bolt just a 1 out of 10 for this challenge. But if you have a solution or workaround for this, please share it in the comments. I read every single one. Now let's see how Veo handles this same task. Unlike Bolt, Veo doesn't seem to offer a direct GitHub import feature, or at least not one that I could find. Instead, I downloaded it manually onto my desktop and then I tried to import it into Veo from there. I spent about half an hour troubleshooting and sadly, it still wouldn't run correctly. Considering that I'd completed this exact same task effortlessly with other AI coding tools, Veo also earns a low score here. Unfortunately, a 0 out of 10 for Veo. But again, if you have any insight or advice to streamline this process, I'd really appreciate your input in the comments below. Moving on to our second task, let's see how Bolt manages building a fun, colorful dashboard for our dog grooming app. We want this dashboard to include a detailed dog profile, owner contact information, and grooming services record. The exact prompt that I gave was create a dashboard for my dog grooming app that allows me to keep track of the dogs that have been in to get groomed, their owner's contact information, and what services they have gotten. The dashboard should be fun and colorful, but follow UI and UX best practices. Bolt got started setting up the initial framework, files, and installing the dependencies. After a few moments, here's the dashboard that Bolt produced. The interface is vibrant, colorful, and captures exactly what I asked for. Dog details, owner contact information, and scheduling options. There are some minor visual glitches, especially with the text colors and formatting, but overall, Bolt's output is pretty impressive. Next, let's put Veo to the test with exactly the same prompt. Veo followed a similar process, setting up necessary files, installing the dependencies, and after a short while, here is the results. Veo's dashboard is noticeably more professional looking. It's clean and structured, yet it only provides the dashboard page, no other pages, which is actually fine because that's what we asked for. While Bolt offered a more detailed setup with additional pages and components, Veo remained laser focused on the dashboard only. Both results have clear strengths. Veo's professional look versus Bolt's playful and detailed approach. Given their strengths and minor weaknesses, both assistants get a 7 out of 10. They did really well on just one prompt, though each of them did need additional tweaks and improvements afterwards. Our final challenge is to create a polished landing page for the dog grooming software. Starting with Bolt, it built all the necessary files and installed the dependencies. Within a few minutes, here's Bolt's generated landing page. Honestly, this looks great. The structure is clear, featuring a strong header, FAQs, customer testimonials, pricing, and contact section. With minimal adjustments, mainly swapping images and updating text, this could instantly become a fully operational, professional business website. Bolt absolutely nailed this challenge. Let's see how Veo compares tackling the same landing page task. Veo was also quick, providing an engaging header, customer testimonials, pricing details, and a simple contact form. However, I noticed some alignment issues, especially in the footer, and felt that it was somewhat less polished and launch ready compared to Bolt's design. For this task, Bolt clearly stands out and earns a 9 out of 10, and VO still requires some refinement, earning just a 7 out of 10. So after testing Bolt and VO across these tasks, what is our final verdict? If you are after a visually appealing landing page with minimal edits, Bolt will probably be best for you. If your priority leans towards a sleek, professional dashboard, VO might be better suited to your needs. I would genuinely love to see what you've been able to create with Bolt or VO. Please leave your project link in the comments below so we can check them out. If you enjoyed this detailed comparison, please consider giving the video a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me continue making content like this. Don't forget to join my Discord community. There is a link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.